Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
A warm welcome to all the students of the Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 5, Subject Mathematics. Topic Number Work Part 2. Hello students, you have already learned in Part 1 how to read and write 6 and 7 digit numbers, correct? Now in this Part 2, let us try to get the place value of these numbers. Can you able to read the number on the screen? Yes, it is 54,29,173. So digit used in this numbers are 5, 4, 2, 9, 1, 7 and 3. Correct? And its place is also given below. 5 is in 10 lakh place, 4 is in lakh place, 2 is in 10,000 place, 9 in 1000 place, 1 in 100 place, 7 in 10 place and 3 is in unit place. Correct? Now to get the place value, we will just multiply our digits with the place. Like 5 is in a 10 lakh place, so 5 into 10 lakh, the place value becomes 50 lakh. Correct? Easy. Now 4 is in lakh place, so 4 into 1 lakh equal to 4 lakh. So place value of this 4 is 4 lakh. Now digit 2 is in 10,000 place. So 2 into 10,000, it is 20,000. So place value of this 2 is 20,000. Now 9 digit is in 1,000 place. So 9 into 1,000 equal to 9,000. The place value of this 9 is 9,000. 1 is in 100 place. So 1 into 100 equal to 100 is the place value of this 1. 7 is in 10 place, so 7 into 10 is equal to 70. So 70 is the place value of this 7. 3 is in unit place, so 3 into 1 equal to 3 is the place value of this 3. Correct? Is it easy? Good. Now let us go to the expanded form. When we write the place value of this digit as an addition, that means all this place value, when we add it, we get the expanded form of the number. So the expanded form of this 54,29,173 is 50 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 20,000 plus 9,000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 3. Is it clear, children? Have you understood? Good. Now let us try to write the place value of the underlined digits only. First one is 14,78,450. Good. Now which number is underlined here? Number 4. This number 4 is in which place, children? It is in lakh position. Correct. So what will be the place value? 4 into 1 lakh, that is equal to 4 lakh. Very good. Now second number, it is 3,60,443. The underlined digit is again 4, and this 4 is in which place, children? 100. So the place value is 4 into 100, 400. Correct? Now you can look at the first and second sum. Here also 4 is underlined and there also 4 is underlined. But in the first one, 4 is in lakh position, so place value is 4 lakh. And in second, 4 is in 100 place, so the place value is 400. So digit gets their place value according to their place where they had written. Correct? Now go to the third sum. It is 56,90,007. The underlined digit is 5. The place of this 5 is 10 lakh. So 10 lakh into 5, place value becomes 50 lakh. Fourth one, 77 lakh 89,004. So underlined digit is 8. What is the place of this 8? Yeah, try it. It is 10,000. So the place value will be 8 into 10,000, 80,000. Correct, children? Good. Now we will try to write some expanded form. The first number is 2,56,708. So highest place is lakh. So 2 is in a lakh position. So 2 into lakh, it becomes 2 lakh. Correct? Then 5 is in 10,000 place. So place value of 5 is 5 into 10,000, 50. So we'll 50,000. 6 in thousand place, so 6,000. 7 in hundred place, so 700. Nothing, that is 0 is in 10 place, so 0, and 8 in the unit place, so 8. So addition of all these place values together make our expanded form. Correct? So the expanded form is 2 lakh plus 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 0 plus 8. Let us try with the second number. It is 62 lakh 15,430. So we will try to write place value of all these digits given in the number. 6 in 10 lakh position, so it is 60 lakhs, plus 2 is in lakh position, so 2 lakh, plus 1 is in 10,000, so 10,000, 5 is in 1000, so 5,000, 4 in 100 place, so 400, 3 in 10 place, so 30, and 0 in units, so plus 0. So addition of all these place values make the expanded form of the given number. Correct? Children, try to note down these numbers in notebook. Good. Now suppose, children, we are given with the expanded form and we have to find out which number it is. Can you do that? Yes? We will try this first. The first expanded form given is 70,000 plus 0 plus 300 plus 60 plus 1. So 70,000 means the 7 should be in which place? In 1000 place. After that, which place comes? 1000. But there is 0 in 1000 place. So it becomes 0 in 1000 place. 300. So 3 in 100 place. 60. So 6 in 10 place. And 1 makes our number 70,361. Correct? The second number is, it is 80 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 60,000 plus 1,000 plus 200 plus 0 plus 9. So it is 85 lakh 61,209. Correct? Well done, children. Have you understood? Good. Now we'll go to next slide for comparison of this 6 or 7 digit number to determine which number is bigger or which number is smaller. For that, we have to look for the number. If you look at the number and see the digits in the number, you will come to know whether the number is, which number is bigger or which number is smaller. The number which contains more digits, that number is bigger than the other one. For example, if you have one number with 5 digits and other number with the 6 digit, so naturally 6 digit number is greater. Now if both the numbers have the same number of digits, then first we look at the 10 lakh digit. If the number has 7 digits, so first we'll look at the lakh position. 10 lakh position, digits are same, then we'll go to the lakh position. If the digits are same, we'll go to the next place, 10,000 place. If then also the digits are same, then we'll go to the next 1,000 place, and so on. Let me explain this with this example. Your first number is 9,46,098 and the second number is 43,675. So looking at the number, one is 6 digit, the other one is 5 digit. So naturally 6 digit number is greater than the 5 digit number. In the second sum, both the numbers are having 6 digit, right? So we have to compare the digits in the place. The first place is 7, here also 7, the second number also 7. If you go to the 10,000 place, 1 in both the numbers. So we'll go to the 1,000 place now. In 1,000 place, the first number has 4, second number has 6. Now which is greater, 4 or 6? 6. So naturally the number which contains 6, that number will be bigger. Correct? We'll try the third one. Third one, the numbers are 2,78,113 and 22,78,630. Looking at both the numbers, one is 6 digit, another is 7 digit. So naturally 7 digit number is greater. Fourth one, yes, read it out. It is 56,89,170 and here 56,89,150. So if you compare this number, 10 lakh position, the numbers are same. 1,000 place numbers are also same. 10,000 also 8, here also 8. 1000 place 9, here also 9, so we'll go to the 100 place. 100 place, the first number has 1, second number is also has 1. Now we'll go to the tens place. The first number has 7 and second number has 5. So which is greater, 7 or 5? It is 7. So naturally the first number is greater than the second. Is it clear with the comparison of the numbers, children? Yes, very well done. Now you have to make your own 6 and 7 digit numbers and try to compare like this. Okay? Now, till now we have learned 6 and 7 digit numbers. So can you tell me the greatest 7 digit number? Yes, it is 99,99,999. What will be the next number? To get the next number, I have to add 1. Correct. So I'll do that addition, and after adding that 1 to each digits, I reach to the 10 lakh position, and 10 lakh place, when I add that 1 plus 9, 10, my 1 goes to the next place and my number becomes 8 digit number. But what is the place of this 8 digit? I don't know, but I got my first and smallest 8 digit number like this. So what is the name of this 8th place? The name of this place is Karur. So this is my first 8 digit number with the name, place name is Karur. So now we'll try to read these 8 digit numbers. Are you ready with the pen and pencil? Yes, the first number. Note down the first number. It is, and try to read it. It is 8 crore 13 lakh 35,537. Correct? Try to read it with me. It is 8 crore 13 lakh 35,537. Good. The second number for you is 7 crore 43 lakh 5,174. Good. Third number is 9 crore 90 lakh 62,180. Very good, children. You have to just practice this sums. Now till now whatever we have learned, it is time to evaluate now. Now it is time how much you remember it, correct? So here are few questions, simple questions for you. Just read it out the question and try to write the answers in your notebook. Take your time, and after completing answers only you are going to check my answers. So shall I give you the first answer? Write the expanded form of the number 69,56,008. Check my answer with your answer. Am I correct? Good. Should I go to the second? Okay. What is this number? Expanded form is given. You have to make the number. Correct. It is 80 lakh, then 6 lakh. So 86 lakhs 2,150. Good. What is the place value of the underlined digit? Again 4. Which place is this 4? This 4 is in lakh position. So 4 lakh. Am I correct? So how many zeros you have written on 4? It is 5. So 4 lakh. Next is, which is the biggest number in this two? Looking at the number only we can come to know. One is of 7 digit, another is of 5 digit. So naturally 7 digit is greater than 5 digit number. And last one, what is the greatest 7 digit number? So very easy. 9 written 7 times, so 99,99,999. Okay, so superb, children. Well done, children. So you keep on practicing your 6 and 7 digit numbers to write, read, to write their expanded form. You can make your own numbers and write their expanded form, or write the expanded form and try to get the numbers, children. Even you can try to read out the 8 digit numbers also. So keep on practicing. See you, children. Take care.